Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Amazon advertising through KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. So all you have to do is go to kdp.amazon.com, and if you already have an ebook or a paperback book published on the platform, you can simply click here, Promote and Advertise. So I can either promote my Kindle ebook or the paperback version of the book right here. Yeah, so in this particular case, I'm just going to promote the ebook. So once I click on promote and advertise, it will open up this campaign dashboard right here. So let's say you want to start advertising your ebook to start getting more sales on Amazon. You have two separate options, sponsored products or sponsored brands. Sponsored products, you can promote products to shoppers actively searching with related keywords or viewing similar products on Amazon. So that's what I want to do. And now keep in mind, this is the first advertising campaign that I've set up through Amazon. So I'm completely new to this and I'm kind of just learning as I go along. But please subscribe to the channel for more videos such as this. So here's where we can select our products. So I selected the paperback and the ebook version. We can give it a name, Digital Nomad Handbook. That's the name of my book. Advertising campaign right here. And then we can give it a date as well, 1/11/23. So down here is where we can select our targeting. Let's just select automatic targeting. Here's where we can set our bid. So I think I'm just going to use the default bid they've selected. We can also add negative keyword targeting, which I'm just going to skip for now. I don't know exactly what that is. Negative product targeting, don't really need to do that either. And campaign bidding strategy right here. We can select dynamic bids. Up and down will raise your bid by a maximum of 100% in real time when your ad may be more likely to convert to a sale. That sounds good. And here's where we can give it a name. So that's the ad group name. And then we want to give the campaign a name. So I'll just choose same name. We want to start today on January 11th, and let's run it for a full week. Or that's July. We don't want July. Let's say January 18th, 1 week. Daily budget. Here's where we could set our daily budget. Let's say £5. And now we have to update our payment settings. So I'm going to have to do that first real quick. There's a warning right here. It says you need to add a payment method to launch your campaign. So I can enter in this information, which I'm obviously not going to do right now. But that's pretty much all there is to it. So after that, after you enter your payment information, you can then launch the campaign and it will start advertising your book, both the Kindle and the paperback version, on Amazon, which is obviously the largest bookseller online. It's one of the richest companies in the world. So once you create your ebook, which I'll leave a link in the description below where I show you how to create an ebook from scratch using ChatGPT, that's exactly how I've created this ebook and the paperback version as well, available for sale on Amazon. And I'm also going to leave a link in the description where you can buy my ebook, which would be awesome because I need more readers and more reviews in order to start getting more sales. So it should be interesting to see how this campaign performs. And I'll probably make another video in a few days or maybe a week, just showing how the results, how many sales I got, all that stuff. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and I hope this video was helpful for you.